Hello everyone. The media and the ruling party did all they could to stop the rally of the former President Jacob Zuma, but they failed dismally. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party event was a success and a lot of people showed up at Orlando Stadium and the stadium was packed. Ngizwe Mchunu's shenanigans failed to stop the people's mandate for the party that is only 5 months old, but it's already giving the ANC the headache. The media houses couldn't report live at the Orlando Stadium. Signals were jammed and the network was so bad the SABC tried to broadcast live, but the audio was horrible, including the video. The daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma took it to her social media and reacted about the network ordeal and tweeted, "One of the many tactics used today to try and sabotage our successful event, hashtag People's Mandate, hashtag Orlando Stadium." She posted an image written, "Breaking, signal is being blocked at Orlando Stadium using network jamming devices, so no live feeds can be reported." On top of that, she put the salt on the wound and tweeted, "President Zuma did this. One man, he is definitely bigger than any organization." The leader of BOSA, Mmusi Maimane, also mocked the ANC for being losers and said that they bet on the wrong horses to bring Umkhonto weSizwe Party down. This was after the Secretary General of the ANC, Fikile Mbalula, posted a picture of their president, Cyril Ramaphosa, together with Ngizwe Mchunu and captioned, "Picture, presidents are exchanging pleasantries ahead of the biggest gatherings of Amabhinqa Nation today at the Workshop Mall, Durban. The president of Amabhinqa Nation, Ngizwe Mchunu, has conveyed an exclusive message to the ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa from Amabhinqa Nation. The ANC will win on the 29th May. Hashtag vote ANC. Hashtag let's do more together." The deputy president of the Economic Freedom Fighters also had a feast with Mbalula and responded to him and said, "So you comrades embrace chauvinists, tribalists and even refer to them as president. Elections and electoral politics should never mean that you sacrifice principle on the altar of political opportunism and convenience. Your ideological shapelessness will get worse if, amongst other things, you do is embrace and promote tribalists and tribalism in general. We know you are desperate, but certain acts are way too low to associate with pure foolishness." Mmusi Maimane also responded in that tweet and said, "The money spent on Ngizwe and Jabulani Khumalo does not seem to have been well spent. This is why South Africa cannot trust the ANC with our taxes. You spend money on the wrong things. You can't even find the right Judas."
Sasibaza ikhonkwane encane.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.